Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video demonstration, we are going to see how the Twitter sentiment analysis can be used to analyze the sentiment of people for a particular government policy or project. So this is the Python based project. Actually, the paper is using the R language, but we are going to use the Python programming language plus the NLP algorithms, natural language processing, and the naive-based classifier for the sentimental analysis, and of course the Twitter API to fetch the tweets for particular project, law, or policy of government. Now, why this project is important? Because, as you know, the government, in general life, the governments or Indian government even, they come up with so many different ideas and the projects. So what happens, so what people are talking about these idea, whether people are liking that idea or people are liking that project or policy of that government or not, that is really unknown. So using this particular approach, once the government launches something, then we will analyze the sentiment about that thing in people's mind using the Twitter sentiment analysis, and that will help the government to plan their activities or plan the future. For example, the government has launched the three farm bills. Now the people, whether the what the people are saying about that, whether some people are saying positive or negative about that, that can be analyzed using the sentiment analysis. So this is basically a paper which supporting the idea, and we are going to use the Python programming language plus the NLP and naive based classifier to implement this thing. Now, as per the implementation concern, these will be the files and folders, and here we are having some Python scripts plus HTML and CSS files for the front end development. So we are going to use the Flask framework of Python to implement this idea, and we'll be fetching real-time tweets from the Twitter using the Twitter API, and based on that, we will analyze whether the people are speaking positive about that policy or negative about that policy. So that will help government to take the decision or whether to put that policy or not to implement that policy. Now let's see the working of the project. So here, once you type localhost colon 5000, that means the server address, then this kind of thing will open. So here you can register yourself. So for example, using your details, you will be able to register. You can put some password, and clicking submit you will able to register. But right now, as I have already registered with the same account and same name and user ID password, so it's not allowing to register again. So I can directly log in as I have already registered, and then I can put my credentials. Now I will be here. So first of all, I need to put hashtag. Now how this is going to find out the about the government. So for example, demonetization. So about this particular keyword, about this particular hashtag, we will be searching the tweets on the Twitter, and then we will find out how many tweets are positive, how many tweets are negative, how many speaking in favor of the demonetization, how many people are speaking against the demonetization. And based on that, we will predict the positive sentiment, and based on that, the government can know whether their policy is good or whether the policy is not good. Okay, so let's predict, and now this will take some time. It will be fetching all the tweets from the Twitter. So this will take some time, as it will have to download all the tweets from the Twitter, and then it will be putting all the tweets in some folder, and based on that, again it will be performing sentiment analysis over the tweets. So it will take some time. So meanwhile, we'll discuss another feature of this. So here I will open a new tab. So here we are having the another static page like the home page. So this is the what is the sentiment analysis and all those things, about the sentimental analysis, all those things. Again, we are having the home page as well. So here again the introduction and about the project, everything is there. So this is going to be taking some time. So as you can see here, it's taking time, it's still functioning. So basically what is happening here, it's downloading the tweets, and it will be putting all the tweets in the data folder. So here all the tweets will come in the law.txt file. We can see all the downloaded tweets will be accumulated in this particular file, and once they are accumulated over there, it will be performing the sentimental analysis, and based on that it is going to uh, tell us. So total 431 tweets we have found for the demonetization. Out of that, 425 tweets are positive and 6 are negative. So the percentage is 98.60. So these many people, so 98% positive thing is happening about the demonetization. So that this is how we'll be able to predict the sentiment about the particular law or policy. Now, in case you need the coding explanation and complete code of this project, please check the description box below this video. Thank you.